Welcome to our exploration of transformation. We'll dive into the fascinating world where nothing is ever truly destroyed, only changed. Let's begin this journey together. Imagine this: you light a candle. The flame burns bright, but eventually it flickers and dies. The wax melts away and the smoke dissipates into the air. The candle is gone, or is it? What if I told you that nothing about that candle was ever truly destroyed? The wax became heat and light, the wick turned to ash, and the smoke became part of the atmosphere. Every bit of it still exists, just in a different form. The concept is rooted in the law of conservation of energy and matter, which states that energy and matter can't be created or destroyed, only transformed. First established by Antoine Lavoisier in the 18th century, and later expanded by Albert Einstein's famous equation, E=mc², showing mass and energy are interchangeable. So here's the question: if nothing is ever truly destroyed, only transformed, do endings really exist at all? Transformations in action are all around us. From the simple to the complex, everything is constantly changing, evolving. It's fascinating to see how one form can become another seamlessly, yet so profoundly. Let's start with something simple: a piece of paper. You write on it, crumple it up, and toss it into a fire. In seconds, it's gone. But is it? The paper turns to ash, the ink evaporates, and the heat radiates into the room. The paper didn't disappear, it transformed. Now, think bigger. A star explodes in a supernova, scattering its elements across the universe. Those elements become part of new stars, planets, and even life itself. The star didn't end, it became the building blocks of something new. Even in our daily lives, endings are just illusions. When you eat an apple, it's broken down into energy and nutrients that fuel your body. The apple is gone, but its essence lives on in you. But here's where it gets mind-blowing. What about us? When we die, our bodies decompose, returning to the earth. Our energy, our atoms, become part of the soil, the air, and the water. In a way, we never truly end, we just change form. The nature of endings is, well, quite fascinating. Everything we perceive as an end is, in reality, just a transformation. From the smallest apple to the largest stars, nothing truly ends, it merely changes and continues in another form. So, in the grand scheme of the universe, endings are just new beginnings. So, if nothing is ever truly destroyed, what does that mean for the concept of endings? Are they just a human construct, a way for us to make sense of change, or is there something deeper at play? Think about it. Every ending is just the beginning of something else. A relationship ends, but it leaves lessons and memories that shape your future. A job ends, but it opens the door to new opportunities. Even the universe itself is constantly transforming, with galaxies colliding, stars being born, and planets evolving. So, do endings exist? Or are they just transformations we don't fully understand? Here's my take: endings are real, but only in the way we perceive them. They're moments of change, not destruction. They're the universe's way of reminding us that nothing is ever truly lost. It's just waiting to become something new. What do you think? Do endings exist, or are they just illusions? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this journey into the nature of endings and transformations, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Universe.